Hi everybody, welcome back to the channel. Welcome to the next stage on the A.J.S. If you've been following the channel, we did the Fiesta and added the parts and we got them into high build. And I said I'd leave the high build over the weekend. It's best to leave your high build as long as you can, because then it can shrink and do what it needs to do, completely dry out. So I've prepped it this morning, and then where I've broke through, I've just gone in with a little bit of etch to the bare metal. Just going to let this dry off, and I'm just going to get the aerosol high build and just then go over them spots with the aerosol high build, dry that off, and then just lightly key that up once it's all dry, just smoothing it out. So we're good to go. This one's ready to go. I'm just finding out whether this has got to go black or it's got to stay clear. I think that's going black. I'm just waiting on the customer to get back to me, but we're ready to go. Base coat's mixed up, it's just going a standard black with the base coat. I've put a little bit of hardener in the base coat, so when it does go off, because I'm going to be working with it, I want a nice tough surface, a little bit stronger, so when it's dry I can key it up and then I can put the next layer of paint on top of that. It'll just make the base coat go off a lot harder with a little drop of hardener in, A.J.S hardener. So just let this dry, drop a bit of the eye build on, and we'll be good to go. Spray gun, we're going to use DV1S. It's absolutely perfect. Minigun stuff this is, tanks and things like that. So if you are thinking of, like, you want to start doing bike projects at home, highly recommend one of them, a little DV1S. It's an expensive gun, but it does an amazing job on base coat and clear coat. It really does. Really soft, smooth trigger. A very nice gun, but as I say, expensive. If you're on a budget and you want a cheap gun, go for a little A&I minigun. Will get the job done, nice and cheap. And then just build up to an expensive gun. If you've got more projects coming in, first couple of bikes that you turn around, it's probably paid for your next gun, you know, and that's how I've sort of done it. I've like done a job with the basic stuff, do a couple of jobs, and then put that money then buy the gun, or you just buy better bits as you go along. But they do make a big difference. Better spray guns make a big difference, especially on atomisation. The way it puts the paint down can make your life a lot easier. Right, I'm going to turn the booth on, dry this paint out, and we'll put the bit of eye build on. See you in a bit. Right, we've got the eye build primer down. Not going to sand that because it's so thin. It puts a nice smooth coat down anyway. I just went round over the bits where I dropped some edge primer over the bare metal. Just going with primer on top of that. Job done, it's all sealed back up again. And we're good to go for base coat. I'm just still waiting on the go ahead on this bit. If that's going black, and I can black that in. But we're good for base coat, so I'll stick it on the cap cam. I'll put gun settings to the side, so you see the gun settings on the DV1S. Let's get some base coat now. That's the first coat down on there. And the base. So it's 2 more coats like that. You don't really need to see it really. You're just putting down a nice covered coat. Do the same again, wet coat, and then another wet coat. Let it dry in between, flashing off. I'm going to give it 10 minutes in between, 10 to 15 minutes in between each coat. Let it settle down, and that'll be enough base coat on there then, so I can, when I come for the next layer, I can then prep this and wet flat it up to like 800, and that'll be good for like the next stage, which is going to be the gold on this, but that'll be back at the studio. So I hope you've enjoyed this little video on the next stage of the A.J.S. The next one will be back in the studio. I'll take you through the pin lining. Might be going gold leaf on this, so we're going to be doing a bit of gold leaf, I think. We'll see. Thanks for watching, guys. Drop your comments, tell me your thoughts, and I'll see you back in the studio.